I can't wait to try it though, especially if they're healthy.
Hi guys! So today I want to show you how to prepare gluten-free muffins. These muffins are really wholesome and they're way healthier than the highly processed muffins that you can get at the store. They taste really good. So for this recipe you will need almond meal. Almond meal is just grounded almonds and it's a healthier option towards flour. If you have a high-powered blender, you can actually make your own almond meal. So all you have to do is go to the store, buy almonds, put it in the blender, and that's what you get. Then you will need old-fashioned oats. Make sure they are gluten-free, and you can get the gluten-free option at stores such as Trader Joe's or Whole Foods. Then you will need walnuts, honey, sea salt, ground cinnamon, baking soda, butter, along with 3 eggs.
Not butter for
It's not free. So in this recipe I will also use carrots and an apple to make it even healthier and to make sure to increase the amount of fruits and vegetables in your diet.
He doesn't like vegetables and fruit.
Yeah. So additional things you will need to prepare the muffins are a measuring cup, grater, a whisk, a peeler, teaspoon, tablespoon, some bowls so that you can mix everything together, muffin cups, and a non-stick muffin pan. Then you will prepare the baking pan with the muffin cups. Then you set this aside and you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. For the next step, you get a large bowl. You will put the almond meal in the bowl, the gluten-free oats, walnuts, and the cinnamon, baking soda, the sea salt, and then you get yourself a large spoon and you just mix it up. And then you put the bowl aside. For the next step, you will have to grate the apple, the carrots, and you will melt the unsalted butter. You will get a second bowl. In this bowl, you will combine all these ingredients together. Then you will whisk all of your ingredients together. You grab the first bowl with the dry ingredients and you will take this and put it. Mix everything together until it's just combined. You will take your muffin tray and you will fill the mixed batter into the muffin cups. For this I will use the 2 spoons and then I will make sure that it's filled up to the brim. Take your muffin tray and put it into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. So to test if your muffins are good, you just take a knife and you put it into the middle of the muffin. And then if it comes out clean, then they're ready. So now all you have to do is get the muffins out of the muffin pan and then let them cool down for a little bit before enjoying them.
person today. It smells good. Let's just get that out of the way. I can't wait to try it though. Wow, these really come out good. It's all moist inside. That looks good.
India, you want some too?
Look at this. Wow.
Yeah.
And there's apple in here. I don't taste any apple at all. It definitely tastes the nuts. There's carrots. I see the carrots, but I don't taste them.
How does it taste like?
Something really, really premium. Really, these taste like something you get from Whole Foods prepared foods. And they're really fresh. And I have a hard time believing you made this.
Oh, thank you.
It tastes like something a professional baker would make at a bakery. It's really unbelievable that these are healthy because they taste really good. And they're gluten-free?
Gluten-free.
Man, that's crazy. They're very chewy. And you didn't use any flour, but it really does taste like pastry. That's crazy. These are really good. And it only took you like 30 minutes? Man.
These are all yours.
Yeah, these are gonna be all mine. Especially if they're healthy.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you will give this recipe a try. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.